Hello everyone. Today we'll quickly learn about the properties and styling of the Textarea widget. You can access the link to the documentation for this widget in the description below. Let's start with dropping the Textarea from the widget's inventory. Textarea allows users to enter long texts. It is similar to the text input widget and is only preferred if the user's input is more than one sentence. Now let's quickly dive into its properties by inspecting the widget. Default value. We can set the default string for the widget when the app initially loads. We'll clear this for now. Placeholder. It is a string value used as the hint text that represents the information we want to gather from the user. Let's provide a random text. Now we can see the placeholder is updated with the new value. You can also view the entered value of the widget from the inspector panel on the left. It'll be available under Components, Component Name. If we update the field with random text, it will be reflected here. Tooltip. Under the General accordion, you can set the value of a tooltip. Let's try it out by entering the following value. Now when we hover on the widget, we find the tooltip with the assigned value. Layout. Toggle on or off to display the widget in desktop and mobile view. You can programmatically determine the value by clicking on FX to set a Boolean value. Now let's explore the styling of the Textarea widget. Click on the Styles tab to access the following options. Visibility. Toggle on or off to control the visibility of the widget. Disable. Toggle to lock the widget. If toggled on, we won't be able to enter any value. You can programmatically change both options by clicking on the FX button. Border radius. Change the border radius for the widget. I am providing it with a value of 12. Box shadow. We can also apply a box shadow to our Textarea container. Let us expand the panel and set it with the following value. This is what our final Textarea widget looks like. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.